Hello, I'm in a 2008 Suzuki Grand Vitara, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So we'll go right down here on the driver's side, and you should see a little hood release with some tension, and the pop sound was the release. So you can see the back side. If you can, there's like a cable right there. It should be attached with a little tension. If it's not, you'll need to get that reattached. And we'll go back up here. Now the hood should be loose now after we pulled that lever. Most vehicles there's a lever right around the middle. So this is the lever, so push and pull up. So push. So there's part of the hook where it's attached here. And that's what that looks like from the inside. If you're having issues with this part for some reason, maybe the hood's not aligned straight or this is off center, so you want to straighten that out. Clean any debris up, maybe some WD-40 to loosen this. And here you can see that release cable I mentioned earlier. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.